Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video featuring Madam Glam. This is going to be the design for the A+ collection for August. We're going to be using a majority of the polishes. We're going to be using my Madam Glam Elio light. This is the previous one. This is not the new one. And then also the detail liner brush. I'm also going to be using these stencils with the Madam Glam polishes to create some cute little stickers for the designs for the nails. So let's just go ahead and get started. finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had so much fun creating this set. I loved trying to make my own stickers using the Madam Glam polishes. I love this collection. I love the colors in this collection. I love the fact that the holographics go so well with the creams. All of these colors just go so beautiful together. Let me know what you guys think about the design. Would you guys try to make your own stickers using the polishes? As I said before, I thought it was super fun. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will leave Madam Glam's information in the description box along with my discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day.